Okay, so basically in your sign you have you're mounting the smaller letters onto glass. So to prevent the glue from being seen on the other side, you're going to have to first mount this decal. So the decal, when you mount it onto the glass, is going to hide the glue for the 3D letters. So I'm going to show you how to mount a vinyl decal. And we're going to use this surface as if this was the actual glass that you're going to mount it to. So the biggest thing is, so this is the center mark. So first you have to measure your surface. So this is 4 foot. So the 4 foot center mark is going to be right here at 2 feet. Okay. So that's our center. So we're going to line up the tape mark with the center. Make sure it's at the height that you want it to be. And then the next thing is, we're going to need this tape in a minute. I'm just going to put it aside. So you can have like 2 little pieces of tape just to make sure you have the right height. So the next step is to level it. So you're going to measure from either from the top or the bottom to the bottom of the letter, and make sure it's consistent. So let's say we're gonna make it 12.5 inches. So make sure the left side is 12.5 inches and the right side is the same, so that it basically level. So the left side is the same height as the right side. So that's level. And then so now you can see the center isn't aligned. So you're gonna want to adjust that. Make sure it's aligned. You know, you can double check that everything is level. And then at that point, when you're happy with the leveling, you're going to put the tape along the top edge of the decal. Before you do anything, make sure you wipe this surface with rubbing alcohol to make sure it's degreased and there's no grease or anything that's going to obstruct the adhesion. So once you've wiped that down, let it dry. You basically peel this backing paper off, and then you hold it, and then starting from the center, working your way out, just squeegee inside out. Same thing, go down here, and then out, and then out. Okay, once you're done that, you can spray it with water to soften the mask, but that'll help it release a little better. But basically you peel off the mask, and now this decal will also act as your template. So you're going to see these letters are already have the adhesive removed, so the back is sticky. So basically, very carefully, you're going to align the letter with the decal that you put onto the glass. And then once you have it aligned and you're happy with it, press it down firmly so that it's secure. You can use a little bit of foam from the packaging to press onto the letter. And that's it. And then these smaller letters just remain a decal. So that's pretty much it. Just repeat that process for the remaining letters and you're good to go.